another review for you, and this time we're going to unbox and review this MSI 760 GTX twin Frozr card. So as we can see from the box, it's a very good looking in black and red coloring themed as usual from MSI gaming series hardware. So this particular card has 2 gigabytes of GDDR5 memory at 6 gigahertz effective speed. It's a PCI Express Gen 3. Core clock speed is at 1085 megahertz. Boost clock is 1150 megahertz, and it has 1152 CUDA cores. As I mentioned, the effective memory clock speed is at 6 gigahertz, and it utilizes 256 bit memory bus. DirectX 11.1, and we can now see the content of the packaging, the design, and see also how efficient the cooling offered by MSI is. So it's an overclocked edition from the factory OC. We will have the box with the accessories and manuals and the disc, I assume. Let's put the card aside for a second. Okay, that's it. So let's see the content of the box first. See what we have here. The CD, the drivers. So as always, you either download the latest drivers from MSI website, or you go directly to NVIDIA website and download the drivers from there. We'll have the quick installation guides with nice graphics. So if you feel that you need more information about how to install the card, please read the manual. Here we have a connector, 6-pin to 8-pin PCI Express power connector. So this card has 160 watts maximum power consumption, I believe. So and because the PCI Express itself delivers only 75, so you need more power to power up your graphics card. So we have 2 adapters here for your convenience. 2 mullets to 1 6-pin, and then you can convert it from 6-pin to 8-pin. Well, it's a good solution, but it's always good to have a power supply that supplies natively an 8-pin power for your PCI Express. Here we have a DVI to VGA connector. I don't know who needs this, but in any case. So this is it for when it comes to accessories. Let's see the card itself. Okay, here is the sexy list. Here are the twin Frozr fans that maximize the cooling performance and a huge aluminum heat pipe that comes directly from the GPU and goes around here to maximize the cooling performance. Nice black and red coloring here with the Gaming G series logo. So this card uses 2 slots, so always make sure that you have enough space to fit the card in. We have 2 DVI ports and 1 HDMI here and a display port. So in most cases, most of the people use the DVI, dual-link DVI here, and another DVI at the top, and HDMI for your Full HD displays, and the monitor port, display port, or DVI ports if you planning to go higher resolution like 2K and maybe 4K, but I wouldn't recommend 4K with this kind of card, because it's not the it's a mid-range card which can run at 2K resolution or Full HD. So I think that it's made for mostly for Full HD gaming, and it's going to be fine if you run maybe two monitors at Full HD, making it almost 4K. But since it has limited amount of memory, 2 gigabytes, and the GPU power is limited compared to GTX 780 or even GTX 760. I'm not even talking about GTX 780i or Titan. So it's mostly for single monitor Full HD or 2K resolution gaming. But since it's quite affordable, so for the money, it comes roughly at around 250 or 300 euros this card. So you can, for the money of GTX 780i or GTX 780, you can buy 2 of those and increase your graphics horsepower and gaming experience. But you should consider that buying 2 cards, you should also consider the electricity bill, meaning that these 2 cards can consume more than up to 350 watts of power. So here you have the SLI connectors, and here are the power connectors, one 8-pin and one 6-pin. So you will need to use both of these connectors, converters, if your power supply doesn't have the required power connectors, PCI power connectors. So it's a very good looking card. The cooling performance is very good according to MSI. The cooling is around 20% better than reference graphics card. So it's very silent and good performing both in when it comes to graphics performance and cooling performance, and it looks gorgeous. I have to admit, MSI is doing really great looking cards nowadays, especially coupled with MSI gaming series motherboards. So I highly recommend this card for casual gamers and people who need good value for their money, and who doesn't want to spend a fortune on a graphics card. So highly recommend it. I think this wraps up the unboxing and overview of this card. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.